Today we're going to bring a knife sharpener, and this is actually one of my favorite knife sharpener because I use it a lot for not just sharpening knives but also scissors and smaller objects too. So I'm going to show you guys. This is my old traditional way of sharpening knives, right? I'm not going to show you how to sharpen them because it's a little it's a little drama that you have to go through all this time. You got to make sure you keep moving it around, because this actually thins out after a while. So that's another thing that you have to be worried about. But with this one, with the actual diamond blade cutting, we're gonna show you guys how to use it, right? So first of all, there's a couple options you should be aware in front of it. We're gonna start with the first option. You get the scissors, separate knives, which is the smaller knives, fine, and then medium, and then coarse. All right, so that's the last one that you need. So we're gonna do fine pretty much on a lot of objects, and we are gonna do scissors too, so you guys can see it. They give you a glove also, so you know this is so you won't get cut when you're doing your actual scissors, so, or any of the smaller knives. All right, so we're gonna put it on, and normally I would do this, sharpen it this way away from you, but this is kind of dangerous, so you do need to wear it. This is the old-fashioned, all right, the way that you used to sharpen things like that. And now the new way, which I'm going to go fine, all right, one hand, all right, and you can hear it, and then you can switch it out to the other side. You got to go straight down. There's an angle to it that has to go through the middle. All right, once you know you got it a little fine, then you could put this on the side. We're gonna do scissors. On the scissors, we go all the way down. Open it up, do the same thing. This is a little shorter, so you gotta be careful. Do the opposite scissors, the other scissor, all right? And they go at a certain angle, right? So you can see a fine angle that it goes to. Make sure you do it a couple times. You can see it when it's working because it displays kind of like a shininess to it, right? And then we're gonna do a small fine knife, which is like camping knife, one of those utility knives that we have. This is a tactical one. We're gonna change it to medium on this one. All right. This one has a curve, so you gotta curve it. And you gotta make sure it's a flat surface where you're gonna hold on to it, right? We got a piece of paper here. I'm just gonna move it to the side. We're gonna see how sharp it is. And I'm gonna slice it slowly. Not that much, all right? That's pretty good, actually. And we're gonna try the scissors, see how well sharp they are. So on the scissors, this is where I have the problems all the time, but look at it. Nice fine print, nice fine cut. So we're good there. Now we're gonna do the other utility knife that I have. I used to carry around most of the times. So it's not bad. It's not bad, it cuts through. Very fine cut, if you guys can see that. This is a nicer way of actually sharpening instead of the old-fashioned way I had. You guys can see it's all run out, and these do run out fast. So does Z in time, but right now it looks like it's working very well. I like the fine grips on it, the grip and the handle itself, the modes, the different modes that you have that you can switch out. I like it. So hope you guys enjoy the video.